I'm Simon Perriman, and I'm here at Microsoft headquarters, and I'm going to show you how to use Windows Search Indexing. Now, Windows Search is essentially an internal dictionary for your own computer. Anytime you want to search for a file, a piece of music, an image, we're not actually searching your entire computer at that time. We're actually searching your own internal dictionary. And the way we build that dictionary is having an application that's running in scroll down and find our search service, which is known as Windows Search. This is what's running in the background collecting that information for you. Now, it's recommended to keep it running to make sure that searching is easier and always available. But if you need to change it, you can adjust the properties. And you can change how it gets started. If you set it to disabled, this service is just not going to run unless you manually go and enable it again. If you want to adjust what pieces of your computer are searched, this is done using our indexing options. And so we can search for indexing options. And this will basically define which pieces of our computer we're going to index and build our own dictionary out of. And so you can see from here, I have about 220,000 items which are being indexed throughout most of my computer. I do have the ability to go and modify what I'm searching. So if you want to include or exclude a particular folder, you have this ability to do that yourself.